C6H5 CH double bond CH This is an unsaturated aldehyde. Should be converted to an unsaturated alcohol. Okay. So, in the above sequence of reaction, what is X? What is the reagent that we can use here? What is the first option? Hydrogen and nickel. Catalytic reduction. When unsaturated aldehyde is subjected to catalytic reduction, aldehyde also will get reduced and unsaturation also will get affected. But in the product, unsaturation is not being affected. So, what is the reagent we need to use? Sodium borohydrate. This should be our answer, because sodium borohydrate reduces C double bond O but not C double bond C. Means aldehyde will get reduced to give primary alcohol, but carbon-carbon double bond will not get affected by sodium borohydrate. So your answer should be sodium borohydrate. And option C is K2Cr2O7, which is an oxidizing agent. So in the presence of oxidizing agent, aldehyde will get oxidized to give carboxylic acid. But what we want here? Alcohol. So this option is also ruled out. So last option is also ruled out. Your answer is sodium borohydride.